Hi, I'm Kevin Freet with Caleffi North America, here in our warehouse in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This video is going to offer you a quick look at the Caleffi 5517 DISCAL air separator with a rotating collar. It's another Caleffi exclusive. This version of our popular compact DISCAL has a rotating collar which allows it to be installed in either horizontal or vertical pipes. Let me show you how it works. Just loosen the collar and you can go from a vertical installation, perfect for the pipes coming out of a boiler, or you can turn it horizontally, which is great for those wall-mounted installations, so the body stands away from the wall to clear the pipes. It comes in 3/4 and 1 inch pipe sizes with convenient double unions and sweat, threaded, or pressed tailpiece connectors. It's great for up to about 10 GPM, which is perfect for residential. And our standard hygroscopic vent caps and anti-suction vent caps will work on the 5517. And like our other compact separators, the top can be removed should you ever have to get at the inside to clean it or repair it. That's the 5517. Thanks for listening.